Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Hello, welcome back. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we wanted to really have a wonderful picnic with you. So this is our picnic food, but we weren't able to do it outside as planned because it rained. And so it rained. So we're having an indoor picnic.
Hey,
So
picnic.
we have we're not doing hot dogs, we're actually doing Turkey Kielbasa. And we have our barbecue sauce and our ketchup. And we have some sliders, mini sliders, which some have pepper jack cheese on it, some have no cheese. With Hawaiian bread, dinner roll, that's what it's with. And we have our coleslaw, which Ian was so wonderful to make. And our macaroni salad, which also Ian was so wonderful to make. I was the grill master today.
Yeah.
Ian did all the cold stuff.
The salad. Yeah.
And I also grilled some corn, which has butter and parsley. Here's our vitamin content.
Okay, so we're gonna make some macaroni salad here, and as you see, the noodles or elbows are already cooked. And if you go back to the shrimp salad show, you will see how we cook the noodles, and you can find it for yourself. And we're gonna start with some mayonnaise. And then we're gonna get some Miracle Whip. We're gonna go with some honey Dijon. Now we're gonna add our green celery. I'll spread it around. Some carrots, shredded carrots. Some red onions. Some sweet relish. Now we're gonna have some corn with some red and green bell peppers. Mix it all in. And of course some smoked paprika, a little Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. And we're gonna mix this all up. Oh yes, it's coming together.
So while Ian is mixing the pasta, I want to tell you the vitamins that's in pasta. It's elbow-shaped pasta. It's vitamins B, iron, and niacin. He also included mayo, which has vitamins A, E, and C. He also included Miracle Whip, which is vitamins K, and honey Dijon, A, C, D, calcium, potassium. So we're making our burgers on my grill. Now this grill, the beauty of this grill is that it will let you know when it's time to flip it. And it'll also let you know when it's perfectly cooked to 165 degrees. So I just put it on, and obviously it's cooking, so I'm gonna throw on my seasoning right now, my Montreal seasoning. Make sure that I get every bit of it. And what I did was put some onions in it, because that will help keep it moist and not dried up. Of course, with whatever fat content it has in it. Okay, so our burgers are ready to flip. I love this grill. See those beautiful grill marks? How quickly it cooks? I'm actually going to put a little seasoning on top of here. And this is for our little sliders that we're going to have a Hawaiian roll. And I'm going to add some of the seasoning to it. And just flip it down till it cooks fully at 165. So we have some of our burgers without cheese, and this one's gonna get some pepper jack cheese because who doesn't need some spice in their life? And here are a list of ingredients.
Okay, so we're making some coleslaw today. And we're going to start with some Miracle Whip. Then we're going to go with some mayonnaise. Go for some corn. And now some sweet relish. A little bit of black pepper. and the Himalayan salt. And then use my trusty hands, of course.
So while Ian's mixing that, he has Coleslaw, which has vitamins A, C, calcium, and iron. Miracle Whip that he used, which is vitamin K, and Mayo that he used, A, E, and K. His corn that he put in is B, C, and folate. Sweet relish, B6, C, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, phosphorus, potassium, and riboflavin. Our Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K. Our sausage, we cut them into, it's kielbasa sausage that's pre-cooked, and we cut it into 4 pieces, and we just sliced it down. So we just want to get like little grill marks on it on the front and back, and that's all. It is actually fully cooked already, so we're just trying to get little grill marks on it, nice grill marks. So we are grilling our corn for our picnic, and then we're going to put it with some melted butter when we're done. Melted butter or parsley, give it that nice little greenery look. We're gonna dig in here and eat our picnic food with you. We just have some water and some tea, like I said, because this was our picnic plates for outside. And so the picnic usually have utensils that are plastic. So we're gonna keep the theme going, and we have our plastic cup. So, Ian,
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yes.
I can't wait to taste this macaroni salad you did, Ian. Good flavor.
Thank you.
Delicious. Let's do the coleslaw. So good. Let's dig into.
I'm going right for the
Another slider.
You go slider. I'm going kielbasa.
Okay. Delicious. I'm going now into my corn. I love corn. Oh, so sweet.
This is outstanding.
Really good.
It really is.
Let me cut my kielbasa. This still worked out so good. Although we couldn't be outside. Ian's loving every bite. I'm loving every bite. I do hope that you'll enjoy and love every bite of this too. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that it's Ian, myself, the crew, know that you're enjoying what we're doing for you. And I want to thank you so much for hanging out with us today and eating with us virtually. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys soon.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran has something for every meal and loving every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.